going on here again today? Hi friends! Welcome back. Today is the first episode of season 2 of Angel's Daily Diaries. Today we are at Siam Square. I finally get to show you Gentlewoman and Tsuhara, and hopefully a couple of other smaller stores that I feel like I've seen while walking around and I just wanted to check out and share with all of you. I also just wanted to take the time and say thank you to everyone who has subscribed, commented, liked, and or personally messaged me from the previous season and continuing to do so. I appreciate every single one of you and all of you so much. And for those of you who are new, my name is Angel. I am currently traveling through Asia and pretty much being called to share God's word, positivity, and light with all of you. I've been growing so much sharing my daily life with all of you, so I'm very thankful that I get to do this, and I'm very thankful you're coming along with me because pretty much whenever I go out or shop, it's me and you. So today we're gonna go to our first stop, Gentlewoman, because if we do not go now, I feel like I'm just gonna keep passing by it. So thank you for coming along with me, and I hope you have a lot of fun. So let's go. Stairs are so steep again. Just saw a bunch of people lined up with these bags and I knew I had to get one. The kind lady at the booth explained to me how to get a lucky bag, and then you can pick which of the lucky bags you get. I assume if you buy more than one glow stick, you can get more than one bag, because I saw a couple people with 4 or 5, which is insane to me, but I'm happy with my one, and hopefully I can unbox it with you later. Hello friends! So quick updates. I went into Gentlewoman and they told me I couldn't film, so I took as much clips as I could on my phone instead, until they told me I couldn't even record a video on my phone either. So when I left, I went over to the event that was going on for, I guess, Etude House's new glow stick. It's a lip tint and so I didn't film this part because of time, because I think they were down to their last 15 lucky bags. And so the girl at the booth explained to me that I had to buy a glow stick and something else from Etude House that's worth 500 baht. And I think they did that on purpose because the glow sticks were on sale for less than 500. And so the nice person at ᝰ~뇌ᖹ who helped me find the glow stick and something else to be able to be eligible for the lucky bag was pointing at sheet mask. He was so sweet. He said, just buy the sheet mask. It'll be over 500 baht. Instead, I got a eyebrow pencil in a different color than I normally use just to try it out. And I saw these, I think it's blush, at the counter, and it was buy one get one. Apparently apparently the #1 blush in Thailand, so I ended up getting that. And I'll show that to you later when I'm back at Starbucks and do a little cheeky unboxing if I can. It looks like there are way more events happening here because there's like Spider-Man and Venom over there. Anyway, I am about to go into Tsuhara, which is right behind me. It is a Japanese lifestyle store. Think of it kind of like Don Quixote. So I wanted to see what that's like and show you around and see if it's also worth your time going. To be honest, I like Japanese shops anyway, so I always end up going in there. So let's go. Come on. Guys, I found my favorite fiber gummies. My favorite collagen gummies. Wow. These are on sale. Oh, there's so many specials on sale too. Specials on sale too. I meant snacks. Snacks on sale. I wonder if they'll have that product that was sold out in Don Quixote. Almost everything is on sale here. It's insane. I wish I had gotten this. Ooh, more sheet masks on sale. I'm not familiar with this brand. The µэдэhheel is one of my favorites for a little over $1. And there's no one here. There's just a whole section for Japanese snacks. How cool! I just left Tsuhara, and I guess my overall opinion of it is that if you want to shop for Japanese skincare for less, especially buy one get one sales, I definitely recommend going there. I find that they had a lot more options than Don Quixote as well, and there were a lot more sales going on as well, which made me really happy. Anyway, I wanted to bring you to this store behind me. I think it's called Atong Friends. It looks like they have blind boxes and other cute knickknacks. I wanted to go in together. Atong and Friends. I would say definitely worth a visit. Super cute store. Lots of really cute blind boxes. Sanrio characters. A lot of ones I'd never seen before. Of course, Pop Mart as well. It's like a shop with various brands of blind boxes. Definitely recommend if you're into that. I'm about to go into the store behind me. Thought it was cute. I keep passing by it every time I come to Siam Square, and I wanted to share it with you. So let's go. I just left. I found something good. And I did find something good for me. I got, let's see if I can pull it out. I got two things. This time I got it because I actually needed to break my cash into some change. And so I got a card holder. Let's see if you see. It's so cute. The card holder and a clip. A bow clip. It's so cute. So that's it. That's all I got. Those two things. Thank you again for joining me today. It really does mean a lot to me. Let me know what other things you want to see either in Siam Square or here in Bangkok. I'm practically mall hopping because that is my favorite thing to do. And if you like it too, then friend, I got you. If you have any questions about Bangkok or the area, let me know. And thank you to everyone who's commented so far. It really does make my day. Hi everyone. I feel like this is very nostalgic of our very first episode for season 1 because I sat in this same corner here at Starbucks unboxing after my first shopping day with all of you. So I hope you can hear me okay. I'm just trying to be quieter so I can be more mindful of the people who are around. But I wanted to show you what I got in my lucky bag. Can you see me? Oh my gosh, I think it's too big, so I'm gonna put it beside me so I can pull out the contents and show you. Oh, as a reminder, I had to spend 500 baht worth of Etude House makeup products or any products from Etude House, but it just had to include the color lasting glow stick. And so I got the shade 4, which is Pink Wish. And actually, the person at ᝰ~µéત્ who helped me pick out a color, he said I am a more neutral shade, so I got that one. And to meet the 500 baht requirement, I also bought the Etude Drawing Eyebrow in gray brown, which now that I think of it, I have this color. Outside of the point of the lucky bag, I just wanted to show you the two blushes that I mentioned earlier. A lip and cheek pH blush. So this one is in Le Glace Choco Strawberry Milk. It's like a brown color. I think the color is based on your pH level. And then this one is in Black Magic. So I am curious about this. I saw this pop up on my TikTok and then I was interested because I came up again at ᝰ~µéત્. So at buy one get one, I snagged 2 unboxing my lucky bag. And so I'm just gonna pull it out. Pull one item one by one. First one is Jelly Pang. It says let's play together. Etude House Jelly Pang transparent case. What? Interesting. It literally is just a transparent case. What? And then I got Dear Darling Etude House Water Gel Tint. Oh, I've had this before. I tried this before with my sister. It looks like a popsicle. Okay, next up are 3 hyaluronic acid sheet masks, which, okay, I really need. I am in serious need of hydration, and this says ampule type skin moisturizing. So I got 3 of those. This is the Sunjung Etude House pH 5.5 Relief Toner. Oh, I've never tried this before. And I need a toner like this, so thank you, Etude House. And then I got, what is this? Play Color Eyes Sweet Earl Grey. Oh, eyeshadow maybe. Oh, guys, I wanted one of these. Look at this packaging. It looks like a cassette tape. Oh, I love the colors. Ooh, that suits me really well. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. This alone, winner, 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 winner. Okay, and then last but not least, 2 travel sachets. One is the BB Deep Cleansing Foam and the Etude Sunjung Director's Moisture Sunscreen. Sunscreen. Wow, guys, I'm happy. Okay. I'm so happy. I'm happy I got this. It's made it all worth it. I mean, I'm happy with everything else because I get to try things, but I'm so happy. I wonder if they had more stuff. Like, they never mentioned to me how much the lucky bag could be worth, but I'm happy. I'm happy with what I got. I'm just curious what they had intended for this clear case to hold. I did see this in the store, so I'll put these back, and I just want to say thank you so much for joining me on today's vlog. I really appreciate you coming out with me today and bearing with me as I get back into the groove of daily vlogging. That day and a half really snapped me out for a second, especially since I spent most of the time resting and catching up on sleep. So tomorrow I'll actually have to do some laundry before we go out into wherever we decide to go out tomorrow. We're still trying to figure that one out, but I have some plans for the rest of the week on where to bring you. So again, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for joining and making it this far, watching my unboxing and tuning in with me. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.